Been too afraid to share my fears with you. Although I know there ain't no safer place than here with you, my love. I've kept them locked up and stored away. Can't we try this another day? Honey, I'm just so afraid. So break the lock on the door if I won't let you in. Shatter your glass on the floor just to show me you ain't playing around. Let me stay in my head alone, 'cause I've been hidden away, unwilling and unknown for so long now. Promise me you won't turn away. Don't put it off for another day. Honey, don't let me stay in my head alone. Let you in. Shattering glass on the floor just to show me you ain't playing around anymore. Break the lock on the door if I won't let you in. Shattering glass on the floor just to show me you ain't playing around. Break the lock on the door if I won't let you in. Shattering glass on the floor just to show me playing around anymore. Been too afraid to share my fears with you. Although I know there ain't no safer place than here with you, my love. You're having doubts again. That's the way you've always been. I ain't much from listening, and I lost my innocence, searching for significance, and you wavering opinions and selfish whims. Maybe we were doomed right from the start. You had a nasty bite of jealousy, and I had an eager heart. Any sad fool could see we were meant to be apart. Maybe we were doomed right from the start. It's getting bad again. Your love's grown cold and thin. This time is so much worse than it's ever been. I never felt adequate. You're always so hesitant. A lack of social etiquette has plagued me all my life. Maybe we were doomed right from the start. You had a nasty bad of jealousy and I had an eager heart. Any sad fool could see we were meant to be apart. Maybe we were doomed right from the start. Any sad fool can learn to hate what he cannot have. Put it on the table and cut it in half. Come on, it's not so bad. Any sad fool can learn to hate what he cannot find. Let these broken dreams die. Let them tumble down over the mountainside.